Hello! Happy birthday po, Lola Pansing. Wish you many more birthdays to come. Good health always. Stay beautiful po, Lola. We miss and love you, Lola. Ito po yung kambal. Si Keigo. Saka si KG. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Keigo. Say happy birthday, Lola. Hi! Say hi!
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 Hi! Hi! Please, hi! Hi! Hi, Miss! Hi! Hi! Say hi!
Hi!
Nahihiya. Oh, bye-bye na lang. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Ayaw!
Bye-bye.
Sakura! Where are you? Hi, Sakura! Sakura-chan! Say hi! Hi, Lola! Happy birthday po, Lola! Great grandma pala si Lola. We miss you! Hello din po sa inyong lahat dyan, kala Tita Judy, Tita Tess, Tito Billy, Tito Arnold, sa mga beautiful pinsan, kala Ina, Lisa, kala Cristel, kala sino pa ba? Ang dami eh. Lahat na. We miss and love you all. Hope to see you soon. Lola, take care yourself po always. Hope to see you soon again, Lola. Ayan po yung dalawa. Alis po kami eh. Happy birthday po ulit. Enjoy your birthday. Pasensya na late yung video na ipadala dyan. Happy birthday ulit, Lola. We love you. Bye-bye.